Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you one of the brand new pets from the latest Grow a Garden 2 Fall Harvest update, the Fox. So in this update, you can visit the new Fall Harvest map like this. It's featuring a beautiful autumn theme with a fun cowboy style atmosphere like this. And while exploring the map, you may find several new pets like this. You can see it, and in the several new pets you can uh, maybe find the fox, but in here I haven't spotted this big fox on here. But this fox has a mythic rarity, so it's quite rare to find. It will appear as random spawns wandering around the fall harvest map like this. And if you're lucky enough to see one, you can buy it for 10 millions fall harvest currency. So make sure you have saved up enough before it appears. And then this fox ability is really interesting. At night, it will sneak out to steal a seed from another player's garden and bring it back to you, making it a very unique support pet. But in here, unfortunately, I can't show the ability in actions yet because I haven't been able to buy the fox. My fall harvest currency isn't enough yet in here, and it hasn't spawned on my map either. And okay, that's everything you need to know about the new Fox Pet. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!